The remit friends, finance, and mga friend yan. 50 akong dollar coupons. And then, kapag nakapag-complete sila ng remittance, makakuha kayo ng 600 Hong Kong dollar coupons. So,
hello again guys! Welcome back to Melba's Rocket Online. So, I miss you guys. Ayan, so mag-feature na naman tayo ngayon ng bagong apps na nagbibigay ng bonus. So, without further ado, let's go! So, ang feature natin ngayon guys is yung PANDA REMIT. Okay, so sorry guys again sa mga ibang country, but this is for Hong Kong only. Ayan. So, punta lang kayo sa playstore and then so yan, pagtingin nyo yung PANDA REMIT. Okay, and so ikuan muna natin yung kanyang features about this app. So about this app is send money globally, flash money delivery, and awesome exchange rates. So PANDA REMIT is a fintech company incorporated with investment such as Unique and Lightspeed. So we have offers in Hong Kong. Ay, meron pala sa Hong Kong, Sydney, Tokyo, Denver, Hangzhou, and Singapore. So mission nila is to provide a safe, convenient, and low-cost way to send money around the world. Ayan. So simple, fast, and transparent. Send from your phone and transfer can be completed within minutes. Great exchange rates and low fees. And your satisfaction guaranteed. Ayan. We provide 24/7 online customer service. So siya ay number 4. Top free in finance guys. Okay, and maganda rin yung reviews niya, 4.5. At nasa 100k download siya. So, pagka wala pa kayo nito guys, so i-click nyo lang yung link dyan sa ibaba. And then, mapupunta kayo sa browser yun or Chrome. And then, you just gonna register your number guys. Okay? And then, punta lang kayo sa Play Store. And then, pwede nyo na siyang install. Okay, dahil ako naka-install na, so let's just open this. So, ganito yung una niyang lalabas guys. So, syempre, pag wala pa kayong account, just registered. So, pag registered guys, ayan. So, pamimiliin lang kayo kung anong country. Ayan. So, click nyo lang yan and then just registered guys yung mobile number nyo. And then, pag type nyo ng halimbawa ako, ewan ko kung ma-register pa yung sa akin. And then, click nyo lang to guys, send code. Ayan guys, itong Byte Plus. Ayan. 436811. Tapos ita-type nyo lang dyan. Tapos, ayan, ito, click nyo lang tong I have read. And then, register. So, ayan na guys. So, login successful na. Dahil ako ay, may account na. So, ganito yung lalabas sa unang bukas nyo guys. And then, so, meron dito sa me. Ayan. So, dito, pagka hindi pa kayo verified, ito guys, ang nakalagay dyan, unverified. So, i-click nyo lang to. And then, so, dito ay, ayan. So, may instruction naman dito, kapag napunta kayo dito, just ID and, I think, home address lang. So, basta, once na verified na yan guys, pwede na kayong mag-send or mag-remit. So, ano ba yung bonus dito guys? So, itong offer nila, ayan guys. So, ito ang kanilang offer. Invite friends and earn money. So, ito ay yung kung may account ka na. Pero kung wala ka pang account, ayan. So, when friends sign up, they will get 50 Hong Kong dollars bonus. And, syempre, dapat magre-remit sila kasi hindi nila yun mawi-withdraw. Kumbaga, kung halimbawa magre-remit ka ng 100, so, ang babayaran mo na lang ay 50 Hong Kong dollars. So, ganun siya. And then, so, paano ba mag-remit dito, guys? So, dito sa recipient, guys, so, ilalagay mo lang dyan yung iyong, kung sino yung gusto mong padalan. So, nakapag-remit na ako kahapon. And then, so, mag-a-add ka lang dito. Pwede kang mag-add. Ayan, add a recipient. So, lagay mo lang dyan kung saan ka magpapadala. Kung Philippines. Ayan, so, meron silang GCash. Meron silang cash pickup. May bank account. Tsaka, e-wallet, guys. Okay, so, kung halimbawa sa GCash kayo magsisend, ayan. So, pipill up nyo lang to. And then, halimbawa, name ko. Ayan. So, click nyo lang yan. Meron silang, ayan, pwede sa coins.ph, pwede sa GCash, Paymaya. Tapos, halimbawa, GCash, confirm lang natin. Tapos, lagay lang natin yung, ano nga ba yung number natin? 639 666 6649 725 yata. Tapos yun, lagay nyo lang yung address nyo dyan. Okay, and then, click lang yung next. So, ayan guys. And then, so pwede nyo na siyang padalahan. Ayan. Tapos, pwede na mag-transfer to him. So, ayan. Sa unang padala nyo guys, so yung fee, free. And then, so halimbawa 100 Hong Kong dollars yan. Dahil may free kayo na coupon. So, 50 Hong Kong dollars na lang yan. So, paano siya babayaran guys? So, halimbawa magsisend now lang yan. Just click nyo lang yung send now. And then, ang gagawin nyo now is, etong pay now. So, click nyo lang yan. So, pwede nyo siyang bayaran through FPS. Pwedeng WeChat Pay, pwedeng Alipay, pwedeng e-banking transfer, guys. Okay? So, ang pinili ko nung nakaraan is FPS. So, ayan. Bibigay naman niya yung instruction sa inyo, guys. So, on the FPS, kahit sa pwede sa Alipay, pwede sa WeChat. And then, you just gonna copy this one. Itong FPS ID, guys. Tapos, punta kayo dun sa inyong halimbawa yung ZA natin, itong pwede kayo mag-transfer through FPS. Ito guys, yan, yung FPS ID. So, ipipaste nyo lang dyan. Dito, yung kinapin nyo doon sa PANDA REMIT. So, lalabas na yun dyan, yung transfer. Tapos, click nyo lang yun guys. And then, mag-transfer lang kayo sa kanila. So, ngayon, hindi ko na itutuloy. And then, marireceive na nila yun guys, sa PANDA REMIT. Pag na-receive na nila yun guys, so click nyo lang tong order details. Tapos pag nakapag-transfer na kayo, ito guys, pwede nyo na itong pindutin yung I have transferred. And then, dito guys, i-upload nyo dito yung screenshot. Screenshot nyo yung transferred transaction nyo. Then, i-upload nyo siya dito. So, yun lang guys. So, ngayon, meron silang system maintenance. But I think yung GCash is instant. Padala din siya. Magpag-send nyo, marireceive nyo na siya agad. So, ito yung notification ko nung nag-send ako guys. Ayan. Remittance successful. Hong Kong dollars 100 to Subyeto. Pero ang binayaran ko lang sa kanila is sa transaction natin. Ito guys. So, ito yung completed natin. Ayan guys, 50 Hong Kong dollars lang yung binayaran natin. Kasi may discount tayo 50 doon sa bonus. So, yun yung first transfer natin. And free yung transaction na. So, yun lang guys. Sana makatulong sa inyo tong bago nating videos. And then, so pwede kayo dito mag-invite guys. So, click nyo lang tong offer kung gusto nyo mag-invite. So, ayun guys, invite friends and earn money. Invite a friend.
PANDA REMIT friends, sign-ups, and makakuha yung friend niya ng 50 Hong Kong dollar coupons. And then, kapag nakapag-complete sila ng remittance, makakuha kayo ng 600 Hong Kong dollar coupons. So, click nyo lang tong invite now. And then yan, so pwede i-copy link, pwede nyo siyang i-send sa messenger. So, check natin yung rules. Ayan, users who have completed one remittance can initiate invitations. Every time the inviter invites a friend to complete the registration on the first remittance, the inviter will receive a coupon gift package reward. And the amount is subject to the page displays. Coupons are automatically issued by the system and the validity period is valid within 30 days. So, within 30 days lang siya dapat magamit nyo na guys. Okay guys, so yun lang guys. So, hope you enjoy this video.